We live in a world that celebrates hustle, but rarely honors rest. Over time, that pressure catches up with you. Your body begins to send quiet warnings: fatigue, burnout, poor sleep, but many of us ignore them until it's too late. In this video, we'll explore 5 subtle warning signs that your body is running on empty and practical steps to restore your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Sign number 1: persistent fatigue, even after rest. If you're waking up tired even after a full night's sleep, it's not just stress. It's chronic fatigue, a sign your body never truly shuts down to recover. To fix this, create a sleep sanctuary. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and device-free. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. And give yourself a full digital detox 30 minutes before bed. Sleep is your body's repair system. Protect it. Sign number 2: feeling irritable and easily overwhelmed. There comes a point when even the smallest things start to feel like too much. You notice yourself getting irritated over delays, noises, or minor mistakes. It's not that life suddenly got harder. It's that your system is running on empty. When your energy reserves are low, your ability to handle stress shrinks. Everything feels heavier, louder, and more demanding than it really is. That's your body asking for a pause. The remedy is simple. Try building small emotional resets into your day. A short break, a slow walk, or a few moments of deep breathing. Even 5 mindful minutes can work wonders, gently guiding your nervous system from stress back into calm. Sign number 3: brain fog and poor concentration. That foggy, unfocused feeling is your brain's way of saying, "I'm out of fuel." Cognitive clarity fades when your body and mind lack the energy they need to function. You might notice it's harder to concentrate, recall details, or make simple decisions, not because you're lazy or distracted, but because your brain is running on empty. To fix this, kindly follow the 90-20 rule. Focus deeply for about 90 minutes, then step away for 20. Hydrate, stretch, or get a bit of sunlight. Your brain works best in rhythm, not in nonstop strain. Sign number 4: depending on caffeine to function. Relying on caffeine just to function is a clear indicator that your body is compensating for underlying fatigue. Stimulants may temporarily boost alertness, but they do not address the root cause of exhaustion. The energy they provide is borrowed, and a subsequent crash is inevitable. The fix is simple: cut back slowly. Swap 1 cup for water or herbal tea, and rebuild your natural energy through rest, balanced meals, and steady hydration. Real vitality doesn't come from caffeine, it comes from genuine recovery. Sign number 5: frequent illness or low immunity. Repeated colds, persistent headaches, or slow recovery times indicate that your immune system is compromised, often as a result of chronic energy depletion. Your body is running on empty and cannot defend itself effectively. To overcome this, support your immune system by prioritizing restorative sleep, eating nutrient-rich meals, staying hydrated, and managing stress. Regular movement and short recovery breaks also help your body regain resilience. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward taking control of your energy and well-being. Persistent fatigue, brain fog, over-reliance on caffeine, emotional overwhelm, and frequent illness are not just minor inconveniences. They are your body's way of telling you it's time to pause and refuel. By listening to these signals and taking intentional steps, prioritizing rest, nourishing your body, managing stress, and creating sustainable routines, you can restore your energy, improve focus, and strengthen your overall health. Remember, true productivity and well-being don't come from pushing harder. They come from balancing effort with recovery. Your body performs best when it's cared for, not run on empty. Have you noticed any of these signs in your own life? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more thoughtful insights on health, wellness, and mental peace. Because true well-being starts with one simple decision: the decision to care for yourself.